Stay, ha? Mommy will go up. Do not go down, okay? Okay? Stay there, okay? Stay. Huwag bababa, ah. Okay? Okay? You stay. Wait. Stay. You stay, okay? So, akyat talaga tayo. Kasi meron ako kukunin dito. Kunin ko yung pampatak niya ng kanyang yan. So, wait lang guys. Hindi ko to i-off kasi para makita nyo walang duga. Alam ko mag-i-stay yun eh. Sana hindi niya ko ipahiya. Kasi lang kanyang casual pet. Wait. Ay, ito. Nandito pala. Yan. Found you. Ito yung kanyang pangpatak. So, baba na tayo. Teka, nag-stay talaga siya. Wow, very good. Very good. Good job. Good job, Sese. You stayed. Okay. Let's put your meds.